What are the best books to read if you want to create new habits and break bad ones? Having summarized hundreds of books, the ReadinGraphics team has handpicked 4 essential reads on habits, each offering unique approaches and actionable insights to help you create lasting change in your life. First, Atomic Habits by James Clear. This book focuses on the compounding effect of small changes with the habit loop at the core. James Clear explains the role of cue, craving, response, and reward in habits formation and translates this into 4 practical laws of behavioral change that you can use to build good habits and break bad ones. If you are looking for actionable strategies for lasting change backed by an easy-to-understand system, this is a great book to start. As James Clear says, success is the product of daily habits, not once-in-a-lifetime transformations. Next up, we have The Power of Habit by Charles Duhigg. Duhigg was the one who popularized the habit loop. He introduced the golden rule of habit change, which says that to change a habit, we should focus on identifying the cue, routine, and reward, and focus on keystone habits that influence all other habits and behaviors. Besides individual habits, this book also explores how habits impact organizations and entire societies. If you want a broader view of habits, this is the book for you. As Duhigg points out, you must start by understanding the habit loop. Once you break a habit into its components, you can fiddle with the gears. If you want a different take without the habit loop, try Mini Habits by Guise. Guise explains how our brain works and why habits are so hard to change. His approach is simple but powerful. Start with mini habits that are so ridiculously small, they avoid all mental resistance, making it possible to start taking effortless first steps. He shares an 8-step process you can use to build habits using these teeny steps. If you feel overwhelmed by big goals, this book can help you to get started with tiny, achievable actions. As Guy says, with mini habits, you can join the ranks of people who change their lives in the most unbelievable way. Lastly, we have Tiny Habits by B.J. Fogg. This book combines behavioral science with practical techniques to make habit formation both enjoyable and achievable. The Fogg behavioral model says that people will only take actions when 3 elements are present: motivation, ability, and prompts. He breaks this down into practical steps using the ABC approach to design positive habits. If you want to build habits through behavioral science and positive reinforcement, this book offers the solution. As Fogg says, combine the right behaviors with the right chronology and poof, a new habit is created. As you can see, each of these books offer related yet unique perspectives on habit building. Whether you're looking for deep science, practical strategies, or actionable steps, these books will have the insights you need. You can explore these concepts faster with ReadinGraphics visual, text, and audio summaries linked in the description. Let's start to transform your habits and your life today.